You've probably heard some of the famous quotes from Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius or Seneca, but have you ever wondered how you could incorporate their wisdom into your everyday life? That's where this video comes in. We're going to dive into the practical applications of Stoicism, exploring how it can help you overcome challenges, build resilience, and find inner strength. Let's start with the first key concept, the dichotomy of control. This is the idea that there are things we have control over and things we don't. The Stoics believe that we should focus our energy on the things we can control and accept the things we can't. Let me illustrate this with an example. Imagine you're planning a picnic and it starts raining heavily. You can't control the weather, so instead of getting upset about it, you decide to embrace the situation and enjoy the rain. Or perhaps you take the picnic indoors. By focusing your energy on what you can control, you'll find a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Next, we have negative visualization, which isn't as gloomy as it sounds. It's simply the practice of considering the worst that can happen in a situation. For instance, let's say you're giving a presentation at work. Instead of assuming everything will go perfectly, negative visualization encourages you to think about potential setbacks like technical difficulties or a hostile audience. By mentally preparing for these challenges, you build emotional strength and resilience. It's like an insurance policy for your mind, helping you stay grounded and adaptable when the unexpected occurs. Now let's talk about creating a reflective Stoic journal. Keeping a journal isn't just a trendy habit. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. A Stoic journal is a place where you record your thoughts, experiences, and insights. Every day you reflect on the events that shaped your day and how you can improve. It's like having a conversation with your younger self, offering guidance and encouragement. Reflecting on your experiences helps you gain clarity, process emotions, and make better decisions moving forward. Finally, we have the practice of self-examination, which involves regularly assessing your thoughts, actions, and character. The Stoics believed that self-awareness was crucial for personal growth and self-mastery. By honestly examining ourselves, we can identify areas for improvement and correct any negative patterns. It's like having a personal coach that helps you stay on track and reach your full potential. These four practices, the dichotomy of control, negative visualization, reflective Stoic journaling, and self-examination, are just the beginning. Each one is a doorway to a deeper understanding of Stoic philosophy and its practical applications in your life. As you continue to explore Stoicism, you'll discover a wealth of other concepts and techniques that can help you navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and wisdom. But why stop there? Dive deeper into the timeless wisdom of the Stoics and uncover how these ancient philosophies can be your guide to a more meaningful and resilient life. Click here to access exclusive content and resources that will enrich your Stoic journey. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find value in these powerful practices. Your support means everything to us, so show your support and let's continue learning together. In the bustling city of modern life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious. But what if the solution to this modern malaise lies in the wisdom of ancient philosophy? Enter Stoicism, a way of life that has stood the test of time and continues to resonate with those seeking inner strength and resilience. This video is more than just an introduction to Stoicism. It's an invitation to a transformative journey. Just as the great Stoic philosophers like Epicurus and Musonius Rufus did, we'll examine the principles of Stoicism and how they can be applied to our everyday lives. Whether you're facing workplace stress, relationship challenges, or personal uncertainties, Stoicism offers a beacon of clarity and calm. You'll learn how to manage your emotions, cultivate inner peace, and make better decisions. It's time to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Stoicism and discover how this ancient philosophy can be your guide to a more fulfilling and resilient life? Click here to continue and take the first step towards a life of inner strength and wisdom.